Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the freezer evaporator fan blade in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Fully open the freezer drawer and use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to partially unthread the 2 top screws, securing the drawer front to the glides. Lift the drawer front up to detach it from the glides. Next, use a large flathead screwdriver to help detach the left and right drawer stops. Lift out the center drawer. Detach the main freezer drawer bin assembly from the glides and set it aside. Release the support bar collar and you can remove the support bar. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 front mounting screws, securing the left main drawer slide assembly. Pull the assembly forward to remove. Depress the tabs to release the upper freezer drawer and set the drawer aside. Next, unthread the front screws securing the left upper drawer slide assembly. Pull the assembly forward and set it aside. Now unthread the screws securing the evaporator cover. Detach the thermistor cover and release the thermistor from the cover. Fully remove the evaporator cover. Remove the insulation block as well. We recommend placing a towel over the evaporator to prevent the screws from falling in. Now unthread the 2 evaporator fan motor housing mounting screws. Pull the housing forward. You can now pull off the old fan blade. Install the new evaporator motor fan blade by sliding it onto the motor shaft until it is fully seated. Reposition the housing and thread the mounting screws. Realign the insulation block in the evaporator cover. Align the thermistor wire in the notch as you reposition the evaporator cover. Secure the cover with the screws. Secure the thermistor in the thermistor cover and snap the cover onto the evaporator cover. Reinstall the left upper drawer slide assembly and thread the front screw. Replace the upper drawer. Reinstall the left main drawer slide assembly by positioning it on the liner and mounting posts, then push back. Thread the mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the support bar and snap the collar into place to secure. Replace the main drawer bin assembly. Reinstall the center drawer. Then snap the left and right drawer stops into position. With the freezer drawer glides fully extended, you can reinstall the drawer front by aligning the plastic studs and the mounting screws with the bracket slots. Tighten the two screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.